Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about one of the important option with the CTE. Last video we talk about what is CTE, what are different type of CTE, and we also talk about what is recursive CTE with demonstration. But the point which I missed, which is related with the max recursion option. I already used it in the demonstration, but I missed to explain in detail. So this video is totally dedicated to explain you what is max recursion option. So today's topic is what is max recursion option in CTE. So max recursion option come when we do recursive CTE. So we have this CTE here, and we are going to run this script. Now I'm not passing anything here, just simply selecting the script. This is the script which we have used in last demonstration. Just run it. So the moment it get executed, it won't throw any error. That's fine. So here what I'm going to do, instead of 100 I'm going to change some number. I am running the script, and now let's see what happens. Let's select the script and run the query. I get an error, the statement terminated. Oh, this is the problematic thing. The maximum recursion 100 has been exhausted before statement completion, but I want to complete this execution. So what does that mean? Max recursion means the recursion value. As I said, when the first initial value come into the CTE, then it called the first recursive CTE call. Then again the output get generated. That generated output again get passed to the CTE part. Again it generate output, and and the generated output again get passed. So this is called as the recursive call, and the recursive call get terminated until it reaches to the final condition. So in this code, the final condition is where call value should be less than 1001. So this is my condition. So as long as it reaches to condition, it gets terminated. So that's a recursive call. So in this case there should be 1001, there should be 1000 call, 1000 recursive call. So the 100 value is not working for me. So what I need to use, I need to go for the option. In the option I need to use a max recursion, and then in there I need to pass the value. So in this case I'm going to pass value 1000. I'm selecting this code again and selecting the and running the query. So the moment I change the value from max recursion, basically I wasn't not passing the max recursion value there, but now I pass max recursion value to 1000. Now it got executed perfectly fine. So if you want to limit, if you want to control the recursion, as I said, I want to understand what happens when there is a first recursive call. So if I select this and if I run this, I'll see output. So the output, I will see only the output of a first select and the output of the first recursion. The output of my first recursion is 2. When I change value from 1 to 2, the output of my my second recursion actually. So the last value which I was received, it was 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 is less than 1000. So I will get output as a 3, right? Now the output of my second recursion is the row which is having a value equal to 3. So this 3 again will pass to 3 plus 1 is 4, which is again less than 1000. So I will get 4. So when I say my third recursion, what will happen? In my third recursion, I would get 4. Likewise, you can also do a practice. If there is my fourth recursion, what will be my output? Right? This is a good learning. Okay. I want to understand if my recursion value is 5 or 6. If there is 6 value, or basically 6th recursion, so what would be the output of my query? So my output would be the 7th row, right? Because in the fifth one I got the 6, and in the 7th I got a 6. Likewise, all the looping will happen, and you can understand step by step what exactly happening, all the stuff. Okay, so there is a limitation for the max recursive value. If you want to pass a val number, then there is a limitation. For example, I am passing some dummy number here. Let's say I want to pass some dummy number, and let's run the query. I will get an error. That error is max recursion option is not allowed to 32,767, right? So this value should not be less than that. Perfectly fine. So just come here and let's run the query now. The query get executed successfully. Perfectly fine. this is 1. But if I change from just let's say 7 to 8, I will get an error, right? Yes, I will get an error. But now you have question. If there is a such situation and I want to run my recursion logic more than that, that is I want to do recursion an infinite time, so do you have anything to do that? Yes, you do have. That's a 0. Okay, to demonstrate it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write here, and here I'm going to replace 7, and now let's run the script. It will be in continuous looping and it will show error. Okay, so why it has not errored? Because we are going one step less. So just run the script and now see the output. Okay, we got a error, right? So I want my basically question is I don't want to limit my recursion. So there is a value called as 0. Just simply replace a 0 and it will loop through infinite. So simply run the script and see the output. My expectation is I should not see the error. Oh, awesome! I didn't receive any error. That is what? That is the CTE. That's the CTE max recursion option. Hope you guys enjoyed our video related with the max recursion option. If you guys like our video, please don't share and subscribe our channel. If you really like our video, please don't forget to comment over the comment section. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.